Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Talukdar MD for Iqbal. So sustainable development and awareness is very important thing in today's society because especially in Malaysia we are growing day by day. Our economy, our all the things, our education system, these are increasing day by day, and the number of people are used to it that they are much focusing on business and studies and researching and different types of things. So the main thing is we should apply, we should create new things, we should bring new ideas. Then in I mean that future Malaysia will be the greatest one. So if we want to grow, if we want to build an idea and business and research center, then we have to be a uh, we have to much focus on this, and we have to uh, create some ideas. So uh, awareness also. So thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.